Welcome everybody, FortuneBoxBreaks.com. Doing the free box of titanium. I'm not sure if the serial number was listed or not. I assume it was. It would be number 17. We are live right now on Blog TV. There's your serial number. I'll show you the list of winners in a minute. Jared has them written down for us. There's the date and time. You know it ended on Saturday. Anytime now. Gotta love this webcam. There you can see the date and time. And I'm going to show the list of winners. And as you can see, if you won this for the last time we did the case break, sorry it took so long to get this break done for you, but you'll see won by Easy, Bruins, Parrot Head again, Handsome Ricky, Lady 0013, and Parrot Head again, and Truds, won Winnipeg. So congratulations to the people that won their spot. Thanks for your support. Just a reminder, the other 15-box case break does end tomorrow, and all the same bonuses and more are applicable this time. So here we go. Good luck to everybody. Nice. It's good for business right there. That's great for business. Never dropped a pack before. Alright, here we go. I assure you there's no damage. Base. For the New Jersey Devils, Timo Palmier. New Wave Auto. I should have butchered that name pretty good. As you can see, that will go to New Jersey, not Anaheim. Pack number 2. San Jose Sharks. Game Worn Gear, Joe Thornton. We have a random to do between Nikolai Halibulin and Semen Varlamov, 182 out of 300, Edmonton and Colorado. I will do that random right after. Pack number 4. We have a private signings for the Calgary Flames. Mikael Backlund. And the last pack in our bonus box. The card goes to the Winnipeg Jets. Oh wow. Oh wow. 3-color, and a 3-color. 22 of 25. Alexander Burmistrov, Tobias Enstrom, Zach Bosnian. Prime hat tricks. And that was won by Truds. Nice hit there for Ian. Sorry to the rest of us. Wow. And that was technically free. Congratulations, Truds. Thank you for your support. I'm really hoping the next case sells because we've got some pretty awesome bonuses to go around. It doesn't look good as of today, but we'll see what happens. You never know what can happen in a day. So that's it for the bonus break. Thanks to everybody again, and we hope to see you tomorrow night. Wow, Ian,